Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a smooth motion blur effect in InShot. So this technique is great for making your transitions and moving clips look much smoother and more dynamic without needing complicated editing software. So let's get started. First, just open InShot like this and then just import all the video clips that you want to use like this, and then just arrange your clips on the timeline and adjust their durations to match the beat or speed of your musics. And then next you can also adjust the canvas ratio. In here I use the one 1:1 ratio. And then next let's create the motions effect. First, just add the blank space like this, blank space at the very beginning of your timeline. And then next, just select the first clip like this, and then just freeze the starting frame, its starting frame like this, and then adjust the durations of these frozen frames. I will adjust it around 1 second like this. And then next, just turn this frozen frame into BIP or overlay like this, and then just place it above the blank screen like this. You can see it. And then now we'll create the moving subject. First, just cut out this freeze frame. Just cut out this frame like this. Just tap on cut out, and then after that just add keyframes at the start and the end like this. And then just move the cutout completely outside the frames for the first keyframe like this. For example, like this, so it will make animations like this. And then after that, just go to ease, and then just use these animations to make it smoother like this. You can see it. And then now let's add the blur effect. The blur effect, just tap on effect, and then like this, choose blur, and then just choose the pass blur, and then adjust the value. In here I want to make it maximum like this, and then adjust the durations. Go to object, and then just choose BIP like this. After that, let's add the shake effect to the beginning of the main clip like this. Add effect, choose shake, and then just choose the flutter like this, and then adjust the value. In here I want to make it like this, for example, and then adjust the durations like this. Just don't make shake too strong, just lower the intensity until it feels natural. And then after that, just repeat all the same process for your other clips. Once you're finished with the all clips, we can add one final effect to make the entire video feel more dynamic. Just go to the effect again. Just go to the effect and then choose shake, and then just choose the cam shake, this one. And then just keep the intensity relatively low. For example, maybe I want to make it like this. And then after that, just adjust the durations. Just apply it across the whole video like this. For example, like this. And finally, let's just play the video back and see the result. Let's just take a look. Okay, like this, just like that. That's how you can add a smooth motion blur effect to your video using InShot. It's so cool, right? And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.